In the vast expanse of existence, from the farthest reaches of space to the deepest corners of the human mind, there are ideas so profound that they challenge everything we know, and even our ability to understand. Welcome to a journey through the biggest ideas in the universe. Concepts that shape our reality, stretch the boundaries of thought, and leave us wondering, how much can we truly grasp? Let's start with a question that's been on humanity's mind for millennia. What is the universe? The universe isn't just the stars, planets, and galaxies, it's the very fabric of existence itself. Think about it. Everything we see, feel, and experience, matter, energy, time, everything is part of a vast cosmic puzzle. But here's the mind-boggling part. What if this entire universe is just one bubble in an infinite multiverse? A cosmic sea of universes, each with its own set of laws of physics, each with its own version of reality. Some might even be completely different from ours, where time flows backward or gravity doesn't exist. Is our universe just a fluke of physics or part of a greater cosmic design? That's one of the biggest unknowns, and it's a question that could unravel the very foundation of everything we know. Now let's zoom in into the mind itself, consciousness. It's the most profound mystery of all. What makes us aware of our own existence? What is the self that experiences thoughts, emotions, and the world around us? Some say consciousness is a byproduct of brain activity, while others believe it might be something much deeper, perhaps an intrinsic quality of the universe, like space and time itself. Imagine every single thought, every decision, every action we take is the result of processes that are ultimately shaped by the way we interact with the universe. But what if consciousness extends beyond the brain? Could it be that our minds are connected to something much larger, an ocean of collective awareness, a shared consciousness that transcends individual experience? If that's true, then the nature of who we are and what it means to exist could be completely different than we ever imagined. Part 3. The arrow of time. What about time? We experience it as a linear progression, one moment after another, from past to present to future. But time itself is one of the greatest mysteries of the cosmos. Why does time seem to move only in one direction? Why can't we travel backward in time or perceive the future before it happens? One of the biggest questions of modern physics is, why does time flow in the way it does? Is time an illusion, a construct of our perception? Or is it as real as space itself, woven into the very fabric of the universe? Some physicists argue that time doesn't even exist in the way we think. It's simply an emergent phenomenon, like temperature or pressure, that arises from the way particles interact at a quantum level. What if our perception of time, of past, present, and future, is merely an artifact of the way our brains process information, not the true nature of reality? Part 4. Life and intelligence beyond Earth. What about life itself? Are we alone in the universe? Given the vastness of space, with billions of galaxies and trillions of planets, the chances of life existing elsewhere seem almost inevitable. But life beyond Earth could be completely different from anything we understand. Could there be forms of intelligence so advanced they exist in ways we can't even fathom? Perhaps they don't live on planets, but in gas clouds or within the fabric of space-time itself, using technology and understanding of physics we can't even dream of. If extraterrestrial life does exist, could it be that our definition of intelligence is too narrow? What if the most intelligent beings in the universe communicate through thought or have evolved beyond physical bodies entirely? The possibilities are endless, and we haven't even scratched the surface. Part 5. The end of everything, the ultimate fate of the universe. Finally, let's confront the ultimate question. What happens when everything ends? The universe is expanding, and eventually the stars will burn out. Matter will decay, and even black holes will eventually evaporate. What is left when everything is gone? Some scientists speculate that the universe could die in a big freeze, where everything slowly drifts apart, and the last particles fade into nothing. Others suggest that we may face a big crunch, where gravity pulls everything back together in a cosmic collapse. But what if the end of the universe isn't an end at all, but a transformation into something entirely new? The end of the universe is just one more of those big ideas that makes us question everything we think we know about existence. Conclusion. The universe is full of ideas that are both mind-blowing and humbling. Ideas that make us realize how little we truly understand. But that's the beauty of it, isn't it? The biggest ideas aren't necessarily the ones that have answers. They're the ones that inspire more questions. And as long as we keep asking, as long as we keep exploring, perhaps the biggest idea of all is that we are part of something far greater than we can ever fully comprehend. So, what do you think? How do you see the universe, consciousness, time, and the possibility of life beyond Earth? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more thought-provoking journeys through the mysteries of existence. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep wondering, keep exploring,